Hi, it's Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I am going through the items that I received from the Black and White collection from the Happy Planners spring release. Now, if you are a neutral lover, this is as neutral as it gets. Black and white, classic, so pretty. I will go through the sticker books in a separate one so we can really talk about those. But let's dig into what else I received. This is a pen loop set with the polka dots and then the gold detail on the black and white. This one is really, again, just classic and elegant. This one also, I think, would go perfect with the colorful floral pen case because that has black and white dots with the flowers on it. I mean, how pretty would that be together? So this, again, really pretty pen options. And then this is a planner accessory kit, and we can open this up in the accessory video, just show what's inside. But again, classic, clean, elegant design on those. Alrighty, so here are the two planners that I got. I got the vertical classic and a vertical big. So let's open this one up so we can really take a good look. So it says good things take time with the gold foil. Hello, this happy planner belongs to, and it's got, again, that really graphic stripe, vertical and horizontal. Alrighty, let's take a look at this. So we've got our years at a glance, clean, black and white elegance. And then we've got all of the months with the shaded weekends. And I love using those to be able to plan out ahead of time and for the year. And here's our dashboard. Very simple, very clean, so you can customize it however you want. Oh, the script is super cool, and it's really modern. It's a modern kind of fresh look, and I love these little stars. So this says, we never finish becoming who we are. And it's with the gold foil. Oh, I love that. See, I'm already thinking this is something I would want to hang up. I'll cut it out and put it on the wall. So here is our monthly, and it is as simple and clean as it gets. Just the black letters, no detail on the side other than the dot grid that you can write on. It's got all the holidays on there. And again, a super clean and open week. This is like my favorite style to plan on. This would be perfect for memory planning because, again, it's clean and open. All right, let's take a look. Good things take time. Oh, I love this writing. So this has just got a bunch of positive affirmations. Leave room to grow. Chase your dreams. You are worth it. Treat yourself. Say yes to adventure. Those are, it's just classic. And then, oh wow, look, little zebras. Okay, I like this guy. He's like checking you out. He's like, what are you doing? Alrighty. And then be okay with being yourself. I just think they've really amped up some of the graphics on a lot of these. They're really modern and fresh. Oh, little rainbow arcs. Shine from inside. Surrounded by love with the gold foil. And again, that graphic that was on the inside cover with horizontal and vertical stripes together. Oh, so pretty. And then do something that will impact all of your tomorrows. Again, this script, and it's got the gold foil, is just a different take, and I really like this. Believe in believing, again, with that really pretty script. Oh, okay. I really love this. It's so modern. In fact, I just ordered a print. Well, my print is dots, but it's again this like black kind of watercolor abstract smear. I think that is so pretty. You can have no idea what you're doing and do it anyway. Yes. And then the graphic plus signs. I've always loved this. I have washi with this on it. It's like one of my favorites. And this is the little diamond pattern. Kind of a fresher take on, dots. It's just that same kind of diamond pattern. Ooh, And this is a graphic floral with gold foil. Oh, this is my favorite. Okay, yes, you definitely can do this. I love this lettering. Okay, this one is for sure going on the wall in my planner room. I love it. But I gotta wait till December of next year to take it out. But I won't forget. It's happening. And then this is the notes page. Simple and classic. This one is for all the neutral lovers out there. I think that is going to be amazing. Alrighty. And let's see. This is the classic version. It's going to have the same dividers. So let's just take a look. I don't want to say everything else should be the same. Let's just take a look at the weeks because it is a different format. Oh, no, it's not. It's the same format. Okay. I don't know what I was thinking. So this is the, classic version in the vertical, super clean, just like the big one. And I think these planners are perfect for anyone who wants to either you want a simple planner, don't want all the stuff on it, and you want to decorate it, or you just want it to remain simple and elegant and clean. This is perfect for work, and it's also perfect for it's a very unisex style planner, and I love it. So if any of you are like me, I know I'm going to add some color into this, but I think it is a gorgeous planner and the perfect base to create whatever you want. I hope you enjoyed watching those flip throughs. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And I would love it if you'd hit the like, subscribe, and reminder bell so that you can see more videos from me. Thanks again and have a great day.